As a student at Monaghan Institute, you are entitled to 5 free copies of Microsoft Office applications for as long as you are registered with us. These copies can be installed on your home PC, your laptop, iMac, iPad, etc. Please note that when you leave your course at the college, these copies will expire. So to install the free software, you must be outside the college. The software can only be installed on devices external to the college Wi-Fi system. When at home, you should log in to your college email account using your default browser. That could be Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Once logged into your email account, you need to access the Microsoft 365 application launcher by clicking on the waffle on the top left-hand side of the application screen. Next, select the Microsoft 365 icon from the menu, and this will open a new window for Microsoft Office Home. On the right-hand side of the window, select the button labelled Install and More. Choose the first option on the drop-down, Install Office 365 Apps. A new screen will open. From this, choose Install Office, and then you may notice on the bottom left hand of your screen that the package has started to download. If not, navigate to the Downloads folder on your device to find the downloaded install package. Click to launch the install screen on your device. Follow the steps to install the applications. This may appear differently depending on the device that you're installing on. Once the applications are installed, you can proceed to access any of the Office applications. In this example, I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. I have already installed Microsoft Word on my device, but you may be prompted to activate the software by signing in to your Microsoft account with the college. You must sign in using the credentials given to you by the college during induction. That will be your college email address and your new password. The following applications will be installed on your device: Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Teams, Outlook for your email, and OneDrive, which can store your files online. The process of installing the applications can take up to 30 or 40 minutes depending on your internet speed and network capabilities. Once installation is complete, you must restart your computer to run the software. If you encounter any issues when installing the software, please notify your IT tutor or your course coordinator so that further support can be provided.